Today I'm taking a closer look at the Jabardast electric bike, and honestly, the name alone sets some high expectations. I've spent some time riding it around the city, testing acceleration, comfort, and overall practicality. So here's my real-world take. First impressions? It looks bold. The design is modern with a slightly aggressive stance, and it definitely turns heads. Build quality feels decent for the price, though a few plastic parts do remind you this isn't a premium e-bike. On the road, the ride is surprisingly smooth. The motor response is quick in eco mode, and switching to sport gives you that extra punch when you need it. Top speed is respectable for daily commuting, and it handles stop-and-go traffic really well. Battery life is okay, not groundbreaking, but enough for daily rides if you're not pushing it too hard. Charging time is fairly standard. Comfort-wise, the seat is supportive, and suspension does a decent job on uneven roads, though rough patches can still be felt. So, is it worth your money? If you want an affordable, stylish electric bike for city use, the Jabardast is definitely worth considering. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done well.